How to get a refund from Apple subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your browser, but first of all cancel up the active subscription that you have, and after that open up your browser and search for report a problem Apple, and then open up this website. Now here you get this particular link, which is reportaproblem.apple.com. Sign in to this website using your Apple ID and other credentials, and after that you just have to click on I had like to, then choose request a refund, and after choosing that you will have to choose the reason why you want a refund, then click on next, then just select the application for which you want the refund, and after that just submit that particular request. And if any amount was charged for that particular subscription, then you would be able to get it in 24 to 48 hours after your update, and this is how you would be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.